Have you ever wondered how crucial a role food safety plays in our daily lives? Well, pull up a chair because today we're diving into the world of food safety rules and procedures. Step 1. Cleanliness. A clean environment is a safe environment. Whether you're in a bustling restaurant kitchen or your own home, it's essential to keep your workspace as clean as possible. This includes washing your hands regularly, especially before handling food and after touching raw meat or poultry. It's also a good idea to clean and sanitize your kitchen utensils and surfaces frequently. Step 2. Proper storage. All foods should be kept in conditions that inhibit bacterial growth. This generally means keeping perishable food items in the refrigerator at temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and storing dry goods in a cool, dry place. Remember, when in doubt, throw it out. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to the freshness of your food. Step 3. Safe handling. Raw and cooked foods should never come into contact with each other, as this can lead to cross-contamination. Always use separate cutting boards and utensils for raw and cooked foods, and wash these items thoroughly between uses. Step 4. Cooking and serving. Ensure that food is cooked to the appropriate temperature to kill any harmful bacteria. Use a food thermometer if you're unsure. When serving food, do so promptly, and never leave it sitting at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Step 5. Training. If you're working in a professional kitchen, you should receive proper food safety training. This can provide you with a wealth of knowledge about how to handle food safely and prevent foodborne illnesses. To summarize, the key points to remember are cleanliness, proper storage, safe handling, cooking and serving, and the importance of food safety training. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're doing your part to keep food safe and prevent the spread of foodborne illnesses. Remember, food safety is everyone's responsibility. Whether you're a top-notch chef in a 5-star restaurant, a waiter serving up dishes with a smile, or just cooking dinner for your family at home, following these food safety rules and procedures can help keep everyone safe and healthy. So, the next time you step into a kitchen, think about food safety. It's not just about following rules. It's about protecting yourself, your loved ones, and your customers. Because at the end of the day, there's nothing more important than serving up safe, delicious food. Stay safe, stay clean, and keep cooking.